What's up, guys? The Burping King here, back in another video. It's kind of late. It's like 3 hours past the limits of kind of where I post. I was just playing video games, and I kind of let myself go a little bit and didn't pay attention to time. That's really all. I got myself a Sprite. It's just me. It may be a little while, so any friends are gonna come back into the video. So basically, we're just gonna start burping. That's probably the thing I need to do, and yeah, let's get to it. I think I should definitely do that. Let's open the can up. Start drinking. Okay, that's not gonna work. I want to down myself. Take a minute. Oh God. Ooh. Wait a second. It's gonna be a big one here in a second. Oh, come on. 1 second. All right. Oh, come on. Let me stand up and do it. Whew. Okay, that's all I'm getting. It's not even 5 yet, but I think that'll be it for this one, and hopefully I can get the next one right on time. Yeah, definitely need to do that. I think I'll see you later.